I rise today in support of Judge Daniel Traynor's nomination to serve on the United States Court of Appeals for the Eighth Circuit. Judge Traynor is seeking to fill the seat being vacated by Judge Ralph Erickson, who will be taking senior status upon Judge Traynor's confirmation. I want to take this opportunity to thank Judge Erickson for his many years of serving on the bench, whether at the state district court, the federal district court, or as a circuit court judge. Ralph Erickson has been a dedicated public servant, and we thank him for his hard work over the decades. I actually have known him since high school. He was on both the football team and the basketball team, and he's a huge guy. And I remember he was a good lineman, and I remember if he stood in the lane at basketball, you couldn't get anywhere near the basket. You had to kind of shoot a three-pointer. Super guy, great sense of humor, and a good friend. But we'll miss Ralph in terms of his full-time status, but the good news is he'll be on senior status and still involved, and he's just a tremendous judge. And I'm very confident that Judge Traynor will do a fantastic job carrying on his legacy. Today I have the privilege of supporting a nominee in Judge Traynor who embodies the highest standards of judicial service and who's dedicated his professional life to upholding the rule of law. Judge Traynor is a man of integrity, intellect, and a deep faith in our constitutional system. He's earned a reputation as a thoughtful and fair jurist whose commitment to justice is respected by those who know him and those who have appeared before him. Judge Traynor is a lifelong North Dakotan through and through. He was born in Devil's Lake, North Dakota, received his Bachelor of Arts from the University of North Dakota and his Juris Doctorate from the University of North Dakota School of Law. Judge Traynor's roots in our state have shaped his understanding of the law's impact on individuals, on families, on businesses, and on our rural communities. Throughout his career, Judge Traynor has demonstrated an unwavering commitment to public service and to the faithful application of the law. Since his confirmation to serve as judge for the United States District Court for the District of North Dakota, Judge Traynor has distinguished himself through his diligence, impartiality, and careful attention to the facts and law before him. His judicial record reflects a deep respect for the Constitution, an appreciation for the limited role of the judiciary, and a commitment to deciding cases based on the law rather than on his personal opinion or policies. The Eighth Circuit plays a critical role in interpreting and applying federal law throughout our region of the country. The citizens it serves deserve a judge who approaches that responsibility with independence, impartiality, and fidelity to the Constitution and the rule of law. Judge Traynor possesses each of these qualities. He does not legislate from the bench. Beyond his professional accomplishments, Judge Traynor is a devoted husband, father, and member of his community. His wife, Patricia, a retired lieutenant colonel in the United States Air Force, along with their 3 children, Mary Mack and Joe, are rightfully proud of what Judge Traynor has accomplished. Yet he understands the values of hard work, service, and responsibility that are central to the people of North Dakota and the Eighth Circuit. I am proud to support his nomination. I am confident that he will serve with distinction on the Court of Appeals. For all these reasons, I call on my colleagues to join him in supporting his nomination.